1, 2, 3. If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. And if you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we're called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there. And I know when I need you, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah. Ooh, yeah. All right. So what we have here is "Count on Me" by Bruno Mars, and it has all the chords we've looked at so far. We start off with a C, so 3 on the A, middle finger on the 2 of the D, nothing on the G, index finger on the first of the B, nothing on the high of the E. And for this C chord, remember, make sure you have that slant so that it's facing this way rather than super straight like this. Have the fingers pointing towards you, okay? And then so you can have that open high E string. Right, that's C major. After that C major, we go to an E minor. That's 0, 2, 2 with a middle in the ring and then nothing on the bottom ones. Take that same shape, we drop it down for an A minor, add that index finger on the first fret of the B, strum from the A string. Okay? So right there, so we have a C, then E minor, then we have A minor. We actually have a passing chord, but we're now just going to go to F, okay? We're going to look at that passing chord. It actually goes A minor, G, F. But first, I want you to get used to going from A minor to F. All right. Remember, F is ring finger 3rd fret of the D, middle finger 2nd fret of the G, index finger 1st fret of the B, and you strum from the D string. And you can even get that high E string if you want. That makes it an F major 7. But if you want to really try to get the hard one, press both those bomb strings, the B and high E. But you don't really need to get that for this song. But hey, the more you practice it, the better you become. We've done this shape, especially if you've done the ukulele before. Back in the ukulele, this was called a B flat, but in guitar, F. All right. So we have C, then E minor, then A minor from the A string, then F from the D string, and for that verse we do it twice. So second round. A minor, then an F. Alright, get used to those 4 chords. And then once you get really comfortable with it, we're going to try and throw in a G in between that A minor and F. So it's going to be A minor, 2, G, 2, F. So each of them get 2 beats. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. But don't try to get that G yet until you get that A minor to the F, okay? So let's go super slowly, now bringing in that G chord. 3, go. C, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3. Here we go. A minor, 2, G, 2, F, 2, 3, repeat. C, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, A minor, then G, then an F. Alright? Now that's our verse, so we do that twice. But now let's throw in our strum. We have our basic rock strum. A down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. So C and E minor will get 2 down and up downs each, okay? So it'll sound like this. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, E minor, down, up, down, 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 up, down. And then after that E minor, we're gonna go to an A minor for 1 down, down, up, down, a G for 1 down, down, up, down, and an F for 2 down, up, down. So you have to pay attention to that A minor and G. Each of them get 1. All right, but if you're practicing this and you haven't yet gone used to that G, just do that A minor with 2 down and up downs, and then straight to the F. But if you've got that G, then you're going to do 1 down and up down, that A minor, down, down, up, 1 on the G, down, down, up, down, 1 on the 2 on the F, 2 on the F, all right? All right, so let's go again. C, down, up, 2 on C and 2 on E minor. 1 on A minor, 1 on G. Down, down, up, down, and 2 on F. Alright? Let's now try it with the words. Make sure you're comfortable with that or getting somewhat better with it. Even if you aren't getting the chorus to sound perfect just yet, still keep going. As long as you keep trying to hold those and you keep getting that strumming down, you will get better and better with each run. But obviously, at the end of it all, it shouldn't sound like this. That should not sound like that. It should sound nice and clean, okay? So, but just as you're trying to learn it, don't be scared of getting some of those muted notes. Even if they don't sound good just yet, because the more you hold them, the better you become. And the better you become, the clearer they sound. All right, so let's now try it with the words. 1, 2, 3. If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. Find starts with the letter F, so we go to that F chord. And if you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Alright, that's our verse. Now one quick shortcut that I want you to pay attention to. That verse is the exact same as our chorus. So you've pretty much learned, that's more like 80% of the song. All right, so now let's learn the other 20%, which is our pre-chorus. So we go verse twice and our pre-chorus. Our pre-chorus is going to have a D minor, one of the first chords we learned, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G, ring finger 3rd fret of the B, index finger 1st fret of the high E, and then you strum from the D string. Since it's a D chord, it's just not D major, it's a D minor. Strum from the D. So we're going to go strum twice, then to an E minor, and then to an F, and then to a G. Then we're gonna go G, cut. So that second time we strum that G, we strum, cut, all right? So it'll be G first time, G, cut. You can count. Anytime you hear count, we're gonna be on a C chord. What letter does count start with? C. Music doesn't really work like that. Just because you put a letter, say a word, and it starts with the letter of the chord that you're going to play, doesn't mean you play that chord. It's just ironic that that's happening in this song. So for that chorus, the shortcut, the cheat code to getting it good is just remember D. We're just going in alphabetical order. D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And the D and E are minors. The F and G are majors. So 2 minors, 2 majors, okay? So let's try it again. Boom. Find out what we're made of when we're called to help our friends in need. Strum, cut, you can count. And each of those chords in that pre-chorus get 2 down and up downs, okay? So let's go for it. 2 full strums. 3, 2, 1, D minor. Find out what we're made of when we're called to help our friends in need. Strum, cut, you can count. Alright? Then our chorus is going to be the exact same thing as the verse 3 times, 3 rounds through, okay? So let's try that pre-chorus and then go straight into our chorus. So make sure you know the chords really well, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, D minor. Find out what we're You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there. And I know when I need you, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Finish on a C. Alright, nice easy song, but a nice arrangement of chords. A lot of chords right there, so if you can play this song, woo, you're getting good with your chord vocabulary. Alright, let's try the song one time through from beginning to end. So it's verse, pre-chorus, chorus. Verse and chorus are exactly the same. And the verse you do twice, the chorus you do 3 times, the pre-chorus you do 1 time. Hopefully you got all that written down. Let's go for it. 1, 2, 3. If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. Keep going with those chords, even if you miss some. And if you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Pre-chorus, D minor from the D string. Find out what we're made of when we're called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there. And I know when I need you, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Alright, and that right there is Count on Me, a fun friendship song. Sing it to your best friend, sing it to your friend, but don't sing it to a stranger. It'll be kind of weird because you just met them and they'll be like, why is this person telling me I can count on them? Alright, I'm gonna leave. Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate that song, but I need to get out of here. Alright, so have fun practicing those songs and be very particular on getting the rhythm right. When you get the chord shapes just a little bit muffled, just because you're still trying to get them good, it's forgivable. I mean, not when I actually want to hear you play, but when you're practicing it by yourself, okay? As long as you can keep that rhythm going and you're changing between the chord shapes, then you're doing a fantastic job. But once you get really good with changing between those chords, take it to the next level and now build clarity. Because it doesn't matter if you can change between the chords and you can't even hear the strings you're strumming, all right? So make sure you get them nice and clear once you're used to changing between the chords, okay? So simply put, in the beginning, it's okay to have the chords a little bit muffled, have some strings a little bit unclear. If you can get them clear from the beginning, that's the best thing to do. But be more focused on getting the rhythm changes so that you never stop your right hand and you just keep it going. And then when you get really good at those chord changes, now build clarity just by focusing on the technique, pushing it forward and using sufficient pressure, okay? So have fun practicing that, and I'll see you next week for our instructions on what I'm expecting from you for your performance. Have fun practicing.